Now, let's talk about health monitoring types of health check. There are a range of health checks available from those carried out by your own doctor to workplace assessments and specific tests required by certain occupations or organizations. The aim is to identify those at risk of specific medical conditions and or ensure people meet safety standards required to carry out a particular job. Checks not only include medical tests by health professionals, you can also monitor your own health at home and online. Many medical practices offer health checks when you sign up with them, as well as ongoing assessments when needed. A checkup is likely to include blood pressure, body mass index, and blood tests to screen for conditions such as high blood sugar or high cholesterol. The aim of the checks is to assess your risk of developing conditions such as a heart attack, stroke, kidney disease, or diabetes. Depending on the findings, you may be offered lifestyle advice, treatment, or sometimes further tests. Preparing for a physical. You do not need to do much preparation as health assessments aim to evaluate your baseline health status, but gathering some background information will help your doctor. Find out about the medical history of your immediate family, particularly for any conditions such as strokes, heart attacks, diabetes, or high cholesterol, as well as cancers, including their ages at diagnosis. Take a list of the medications you take regularly, including those bought over the counter, such as pain relief, vitamin and mineral supplements, as well as non medical preparations. Make a note of any known intolerances or allergies. Bring a list of vaccinations you have been given and when you had them. Write down your own concerns or questions you want to ask the health professional about links to family medical history, for example. Many companies offer medical checkups when you join, as well as ongoing health monitoring. These usually comprise similar assessments to those carried out by your doctor, and if they identify abnormalities, they will usually refer you to your doctor. Some professions have further checks as a requirement for employment. For example, bus or train drivers need to undergo regular fit to work assessments. Commercial pilots must have a medical certificate that needs updating regularly. Health checks may be requested by external organizations too. Sports bodies require athletes to undergo cardiology screening and test for performance enhancing drugs before they can compete. Private medical and life insurance companies may ask you to have a physical before signing up for a policy. When you join a gym or enroll with a personal trainer, you may be offered a series of baseline health and fitness tests before you start. Some sports footwear specialists provide gait assessments too. Thank you for listening.